Welcome back to Autoscope. BYD Motorhome 2026, a blend of electric innovation and cozy camping. Outside aerodynamics. The design will consider aerodynamics to reduce wind resistance and increase efficiency. Full LED lighting, headlights, taillights, and fog lights will all use LED technology to improve efficiency and visibility. Integrated solar panels. The roof of the RV will most likely be covered with high-power, flexible solar panels. Modern minimalist design. This style complements BYD's clean and futuristic design ethos by utilizing eye-catching color palettes and stylish accessories. Interior. Fully equipped kitchen with electric induction stove, energy-efficient refrigerator, freezer, sink, microwave, and ample storage. Sleeping room. A bed that can be relocated from the dining or living room, or a queen or king-sized bed that is fixed. Electric heating and cooling. This technique uses an efficient heat pump system to do away with the requirement for propane. Superior insulation. Advanced thermal and acoustic insulation reduces road noise and improves comfort in all weather conditions. Smart storage. A variety of drawers, cabinets, and hidden storage spaces that save space. Connectivity features include Wi-Fi hotspots, USB-C connections, several AC outlets, and the possibility of an integrated entertainment system. Eco-friendly materials. The interior will include recycled and sustainable materials as an added value, in line with BYD's vision. Full electric power is the primary feature. 2 electric motors will most likely be included as standard equipment with all-wheel drive. Blade battery. BYD will use its Blade battery technology, which is well known for its energy density, durability, and safety. Range. With BYD's battery technology and efficiency, practical range of 400 to 600 kilometers on a single full charge is expected, depending on load and road conditions. Charging. Supports DC fast charging, which enables quick recharge at charging stations. Has collision prevention with adjacent objects.